Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2005 Honda S2000. I was thinking about the Toyota MR2 as I was driving over here, so that's why I said Toyota. I'm going to make it a quick drive because I got about 20-30 minutes before the rain starts. And I've been playing avoid the rain all day. I don't plan on losing today, right now. AP2, I've only ever driven an AP1, and that was a few years ago. Obviously AP1 has a higher revving motor. AP2 has way more torque, which I 100% feel. One thing that is the same between both cars is how small, nimble, and compact they are. It is unlike much else I've ever driven, and certainly nothing from today's day and age. Gotta remember, this car is 20 years old now. And I firmly believe that the early to mid 2000s were the best era for drivers' cars. Yes, we have a lot of powerful cars now, but what they're missing is that analog feel that this has. I feel so connected to this car. I feel like I'm driving a shoe, you know, and manual gearbox, huge span of RPMs to mess with. AP1 was absolutely a dog under 4,000 to 5,000 RPM. VTEC opens up at 6 and the party starts. This one, I still have plenty of torque. I've been keeping around 2,500. I got plenty of torque to manage. I'm not absolutely forcing myself to downshift, but I'm doing it because this engine is so happy to rev. This gearbox is one of the best I've ever used. Heel toe rev matching, oh, this firmly plants in my head that the S2000 is one of the best driver's cars ever made. Yes, I mean, the Zonda's a little different, cars like that, but for under $50,000, this is the best driver's car you can buy. And it's actually closer to $30,000 to $40,000. Obviously, pristine ones bring a little bit more money, but nonetheless. I'll go this way. Yes! Yes, Honda! Nothing can describe that feeling. I've never heel-toed that well. Never once in my life heel-toe. Well, okay, that's an exaggeration. I'm in love with this car. And that is not an exaggeration. I'm in love with this car. I got it. Come on. This is, now I've not driven a motorcycle, but I've been passenger on bikes and stuff like that. This is real close to that. You have to remember, one of the first cars Honda brought, especially one of their first sports cars, used motorcycle technology. Honda's been a motorcycle manufacturer for years, and that really shines through. AP1, especially with that 9,000 RPM redline, but this is still a inline 4-cylinder that revs to 8,000 RPM. An NA 4-cylinder. Good luck finding that today, because I can't tell you where to get it. Oh, that buyer's guide's gonna be a royal pain in the behind. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.